Yeah, you running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied now. We're making love, my hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to play, but my hands are tied now. You running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied. We're making love, my hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to give, but my hands are tied now. Tapped out on the scene, throw some checks, we're gonna branch out on the real. And I got myself a new dummy, call my guy for more money. And as long as I don't be running, things are not gonna get ugly. And I promise you that I'ma cash out. You know me, throw some checks, we're getting racks now. On the real, roll away like I'm in France now. C'est la vie, rock the boat like it'll capsize. Getting wet.
Okay, boo-boos, so I just showed you the new Fenty, I forget what it's called. How Many Carats Diamond Bomb highlighter, and I wasn't gonna get it, I promise you. Why does this always happen with Fenty? I decided, I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna believe the hype, I'm not gonna get it, it's not a big deal. And then I just so happened to be near a Sephora the day his product launches, and bam, I swatched and I'm like, yes, I'm here for it. So this is not your everyday highlighter, honeys. This is not your everyday highlighter. This is not the highlighter you're wearing to school. This is not the highlighter you're wearing to work. Well, if you work in the beauty field, yeah, maybe. It's not that highlighter, but it's still super fun. I thought it was gonna be super, super, super ashy on me. It's definitely glittery, honey, okay? It's definitely glittery. But what I like about it is that you can, and I have some breakout here, like some, I have some breakouts over here, so it's not like showing how clean it can look. But on this side, I feel like it's just way clean. This is a quick demo. I don't have my glasses on, y'all. Forgive me. But this side, I feel like, just really shows you how beautiful it translates on the skin. And it gives you, this for me is the first highlighter that gives me the wet effect without wetting my brush. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, how wet does that look? And I think it's O2. Now, you have to see, and I don't know that you can see, but here, thingamabobby here, the actual highlighter. So it's not a powder. It's definitely kind of like a silicone-y, creamy type product. And I think it works beautifully as a like topper for your eyeshadows. I think it'd be beautiful as a topper on any other highlighter you might have. So if you have like a gold and you want to top this, like it blends in. So it's not giving you that sort of silvery, ashy effect that you might expect. That happens for me with like any sort of silvery highlighters or really pale golds, like pale yellowy golds. That happens with me. Like I didn't even really love, what's that one that we all got from Fenty last year? That's the gold, crazy glittery one. I think Trophy Wife, I think I've worn that once. I might have to pull it back out, but I feel like I don't know. I'm here for it. It's, I don't know how much it costs. It's like 40 bucks. I'll put a link down below where you can get it if you want to get it. But I just think it's super duper duper pretty. And on my lips, I'm actually wearing a Fenty lipstick too. I forget what it's called. It's the pink one at the little Mademoiselle sticks. I'll put that link below too, in case you want the lipstick, honey. But yes, and the lashes. I'll put a link to my Listen, I'm gonna do this standard. Anything I got going on my face, even these earrings, I'll put a link below. Yes, I'm here for it. You know, I'm sure you've seen other reviews and whatever. And I know everyone hypes up some Fenty stuff because, you know, if you read my blog, you know, I don't love everything Fenty. I definitely don't love the foundation for my skin. It breaks me out terribly. But the highlighters I have been consistently happy with for the most part. Trophy Wife was a little bit much for me, a little too yellow and a little too glittery. But this, honey, I'm going to need her to make some more highlighters with this formula because I am here for it. It's very glittery at night. Like you definitely want, you can build it up. You can build it up. You can make it more dramatic. At night, darker lights, it pops like crazy. But as you can see here, I feel like it can be just a beautiful, subtle thing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Yeah, you running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, My